Hey friends, I have a terrific recipe for you today. It's my twice baked sweet potatoes, and oh my god, is it a delicious side dish. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay friends, here are your ingredients. I will have them listed below in the quantities, so don't worry about that. If you have not hit the thumbs up button, please do so now so I won't ask you again later. Thanks. Anyway, I have washed my sweet potatoes and I have scrubbed them, and now I am taking a fork and I'm piercing the potatoes with the fork just to help it cook a little bit faster. I'm putting them on a lined baking sheet. I will put them in an oven of 375 degrees. They will bake about 50 to an hour and 15 minutes until they're fork tender. But of course, you can see you guys didn't have to wait for anything. So anyway, the potatoes have come out and they are very hot. You can see the smoke coming out of them. And I have a very terrible knife. I need to get a better knife. But anyway, I am cutting them in half and I am taking out the center. Now you want to be careful not to poke a hole in there. So just take your time with getting out the sweet potatoes out of the middle of the skins. We want to keep the skins because we're going to be restuffing after we mix all of the stuff together. Okay, so in the bowl, I'm going to be adding the following ingredients: softened cream cheese, brown sugar, salt and pepper to taste, unsalted butter, vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. And so I'm taking my mixer and I'm mixing all of this and getting it nice and smooth, and then I'm stuffing all of that wonderful mixture back inside of those shells, putting them back on the lined baking sheet, and then I am sprinkling it with sugar in the raw just to give it a little crunch on top. These are going to go back in for another 5 minutes until they're nice and brown, and guess what? You didn't have to wait for anything, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your comments and enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.